Good morning, students. Welcome once again in e-learning program of our school. Students, after completing the your exam, I think you have secured a good marks in your exam. Students, before this video lecture, I completed chapter 1 to chapter 7. Students, one in chapter 1 to chapter 7, the mathematics that was studied, that was arithmetic mathematics. That means, students, what do you mean by arithmetic mathematics? What is arithmetic mathematics? Arithmetic mathematics, in which we do the operations, basic operations of mathematics, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, in only for numbers. But today, students, I am going to start here a new mathematics, new chapter, chapter 8, algebraic expression. That means a new chapter, algebra. Students, it's new for you. Students, so I suggest you, I say you, carefully watch each term and each point of this video. Students, if any problem, then contact me. And students, if you are new on our channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon button. Students, now proceed to know. First of all, know what is algebra. Students, it's not a special type of mathematics. It's a generalized arithmetic mathematics. That means we can define it. Algebra is a generalized arithmetic mathematics in which we represent the number by letters and symbols. Here, students, letters and symbols are known as literal numbers or simply literals. So, students, I write here definition of algebra. So, here, first of all, know algebra. It is a generalized mathematics, generalized arithmetic mathematics in which we represent numbers by using letters and symbols. Here, students, we use number letters to represent the numbers. Suppose here in arithmetic 5 plus 6, 8 is written. That means, students, here for 5 or any value of letter we use here, write x plus 8. Here, students, x plus 8 is algebraic expression, but here 5 plus 8 is an arithmetic mathematics, arithmetic expression. Here it is algebra and it is arithmetic mathematics. That means we use letters and any alphabet letter can you use. Here letters and numbers. Letters we represent related numbers by letters. So this is algebraic mathematics, algebra, and this is arithmetic. Now understand by it some example. But no here of things here using the letters and symbol. Here letters and symbols are known as here letters and symbols are known as literals numbers or simply literals. That means, students, here in algebraic mathematics, in algebra, the literal letter is used known as literals. Understand, the students, it by some example. Suppose here I write perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. I think you know this formula. And the students, here, that means when you have to find the value of perimeter of rectangle, then use this formula 2 into L plus B. Students, here L and B are letters and it is used for numbers. That means L means length of the rectangle and B for breadth of the rectangle. That means it's a algebraic expression and it's a algebra. And so, students, in algebra we use letters and numbers. Letters represented by letter represent the numbers. So, students, it's a generalized mathematics of arithmetic mathematics in which we use letters and symbols for representing the numbers. Students, now proceed to know operations on literals and numbers. Students, first operations, addition. Addition. Here, suppose you write add a number x to 5. Add number x to 5. It will be written as, students, x plus 5. That means this is an algebraic representation. Now you have to write here increase 2 in a number y. Students, a number y, and you have to increase 2. That means it will be represented, it will be written, increase means add, here it will be written y plus x, y plus 2. 2 increase in y. Suppose here third number, the sum of a number x and y. The sum of a number x and y. Here x plus y. It will be written as x plus y. Similarly, students, you can write the statement in mathematical representation. Now proceed to know the subtraction. Here next operation, subtraction. Suppose here subtract y from x. Y from x. It will be written as x minus y. Now decrease x from 1/3 of y. Students, here you have to decrease x from 1/3 of y. That means here 1/3 of y means 1/3 of x and minus 1/3 of y. 1/3 of y minus x. That means, students, it will be of means multiplication. That means here 1/3 y minus x. Now proceed multiplication. In multiplication, Here write multiply x with y. That means students here write x into y. And students here are very important things. When multiplication sign is written between two letters or between one number and letters, you can hide, you can eliminate from symbol multiplication. That means it also be written as xy. That means students, when you have written, suppose here I write 2 into x, that means you can write it 2x. If here x into y into z, that means you can write it xyz. Clear students? That means in multiplication, when multiplication sign is written between two letters, then you can hide the multiplication symbol, and only in multiplication symbol you can hide it. Now here rewrite another, the product of 2 and a number x. Here you have to write the product of 2 into 2 and a number, that means 2 into x and is equal to 2x. Now friends, here the product of x and the sum of y and z. Here students, you have to write the product of x and the sum of y and z. So first of all write the sum y plus z, and you have to multiply x. So y plus x into y plus z into x. Now here multiply the sum of a and b with multiply the sum of a and b with the sum of x and y. Friends, it will be represented as, here a sum of a and b means a plus b, and sum of x and y, that means x plus y, and you have to multiply a plus b and x plus y, that means a plus b into x plus y. And students, you can hide here also multiplication symbol, and you can write it a plus b in bracket and x plus y. Clear students? I think this type of operations, and you can write easily in your notebook of your exercise, and I think you will complete the exercise. Now proceed in next operation. Here first question, divide x by y. That means it will be written as x divided by y, and that means x y upon y. Here divide by 18, it will be written as y divided by 18, that means y upon 18. Third, divide 30 by x, that means students, it will be written 30 upon x, that means 30 by x. Similarly students, you can write any statement of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction in word, a statement in algebraic representation. Now students, here know the concept of power. What do we mean by power of literals? Here, a very important thing, power of literals. What do you mean by power of literals? Suppose students, here a literal x, and x is multiplied x into x into x into x into x. Here x is multiplied 1 2 3 4 5 5 times by self. That means x into x into x into x into x. Here when a number multiplied by self, then it will be written in power form. Here x is written 1 2 3 4 5 times. That means here it will be written x to the power 5. Here 5 is called power, and here x is called base, but it is read as x raised to the power x raised to the power 5. That means it's simply read as x raised to the power 5, or simply x to the power 5. That means, students, here next question, y into y into y. Here it will be written, that means y and all of these are written in multiplication. So y to the power 3. It will read as y to the power 3. Similarly, students, you can write many examples of this. I proceed. I write here next x into x into x into x into, and similarly 10 times. That means, students, this process is written, that means x into x into x into x into x up to 10 times. That means it will be written x to the power 10, and it is read as x raised to the power 10, or simply it is read as x to the power 10. Clear, students? You can write here. I write x into x into x into y into y into z into z into z into z. Here, students, you have to write this in power form. Here x is written 3 times. That means first write x to the power 3. Now into y into y 2 times. That means y square, and here x z into z into z into z 4 times. That means z to the power 4. Here, and in multiplication you can hide the multiplication symbol, so you can simply write x cube y square z to the power 4. Students, here I used a word a square. Understand this word. When power x to the power 4, x to the power 2, power 2, when power is written 2, then it will simply read as x square. That means power, when power is 2, power is 2, then read as a square. If power is 3, read as cube. Mainly two terms will be used in general terms. So here read as a square when power is 2, and when power is 3, read as cube. Suppose here write x to the power 3, it will be read as x cube. X cube. That means x cube is equal to x to the power 3. X square means x to the power 2. So students, I think you have understand the concept of power, and you can write the numbers in representation in power form. Students, now you have to solve your exercise 8a. Now here I write some questions and solve it, but I suggest you, I say you, I give you homework to complete exercise 8a, all of the questions. Here I explain all the points, all the topics, and I think you, if you carefully watch all of the whole video, then you can complete the exercise 8a of R.S. Agarwal book. So students, now proceed to solve some examples, some questions, and after that you complete your exercise. Students, here some questions of your exercise 8a is written on the board. Here first question, write the following using the literals, that and literal numbers and sign of the basic operation. That means you have to write this question, this statement in algebraic form. Here first a 1a question, 2 less than quotient of x by. That means first of all find the quotient, that means divide x by, that means it will be written x upon y, and 2 less, so minus 2, 1 is completed. 2 less than the quotient of x by. Here quotient of x by means x upon y, and minus 2. Here B number question, x multiplied by itself. That means students, x multiplied by itself matlab means x into x. Itself means same exact that letter. That means x into x. So it means x, and when x into x, it will be written in power form, so x square. Now x cube less than y square, that means x cube less than y square. C number, y square means y to the power 2, y square, and minus x cube, y square minus x cube. Now D number option, 1/3 of sum of x and y. That means you have to write 1/3 of x and x, sum of x and y. So first of all write 1/3 into x plus y. This is the D number question. This is completed. Now students, here in question number 2, write the following in exponential form. I explained in previous. Students, the number in exponential form, when a number is written in power form, is also called exponential notation. Numbers in exponential form. So students, here b into b into b into b, and this process is up to 15 times. That means here 2a number question, b to the power 15. B is written, b multiplied by itself 15 times, so its power be 15. Now here 14 into x into x into x into x, that means here 1 2 3 4. That means in B number question, 14 into x to the power 4. 1 2 3 4, 4 times x is written. That means here, and you can hide the multiplication symbol because I explained in previous. So here 14 x to the power 14. This is the solution of all of this question. Students, now here a main thing, when a number is written as, right here, 2 times y, that means it will be 2 times, 3 times, 4 times a number. it means 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, matlab means 4 into that letter. Suppose here written 2 times by, that means 2 into y, that means 2y. If here written 4 times a number x, that means 4 into x, 4x. Similarly, you can write all of the questions in algebraic form. Here, students, I explain all the topics of exercise 8A of your R Survival book. So, you will complete your homework. So, today's class is over. That's all. Thank you.